Okay, guys, I'm playing with my friend Jamie Georgia 04, and I've just customized a car for him, and he's just got rid of his old car, and I just put a sticky bomb in it, playing, it's floating in the air. And guys, I can literally show you from this distance, if you still don't believe me, and it's not on my adder. Hope you enjoyed the video. More glitches earlier. I cannot open my car, and my name is Call RH Electrical. So he said you don't have access to Call RH's car. So more glitches coming soon. See you guys.